Hi, welcome to Tim's workshop. I wasn't going to do another video until starting in April because I've been busy. I actually went back to work for a while. But in April, I'll be making videos again. And this one I decided it was important for people to see that plan on doing this kind of project. And a buddy of mine told me he was having his master bathroom converted so he could put in a shower, and prior to there was just a toilet and a sink. So if you guys have this similar configuration, I want to show you what my contractor buddy has done to this place. And so let me turn the camera around and I'll start showing you what he did and what the old pipe looked like. All right. So here's the his master bathroom, and over in this side over here is where the shower is going to go. And in order to get to the old cast iron plumbing, which all this has been changed out to PVC now, and he's getting ready to transfer over from the metal pipe to the PEX installation with the plastic tubing, which is a better way to go nowadays. And this is the toilet was over here in this area. That's where the new shower pan's going to go, and it's going to be tiled in. This is the, be careful where I'm standing here. This is the shower faucet, and there's a shower head, and this electrical wire is coming out of there, by the way. It's not needed. This is going to be converted over here where this electrical is right now, because there's going to be a soap recessed dish in the tile work that's going to go over in this area. So the electrical box is going to have to go to do that. The window, in case you're wondering, yeah, that's going to be going to a single window that raises up and down instead of back and forth. The actual shower pan will end at this location, about halfway through the window, a little less. And because of the header up above, can't go over this way anymore. Plus the door would be in the way anyway. So we're going to put a smaller window in. So that'll work there. So let me show you underneath this board. So the easiest way we found to get in there is to saw up a section of the floor for access, instead of the crawl space getting in underneath here is really tight. So we went this way, and he put in from the sewer pipe that goes out that way, he put all this new PVC in, and hooked up to the existing drains. Redid the bathtub drain, had some metal down below. The toilets, of course, were cast iron, and all that was removed and replaced. And like I say, all he has left to do is now tap into the water lines for the PEX and get rid of the old pieces that are going to stick through the drywall if we don't get rid of them. All right, and light fixture, of course, we're going to change that out. Put all new stuff in. Light switch. We're going to put in a bath fan with a light, of course. There's one in the other bathroom. We'll tee into the vent that goes out through the roof. And that way, that's all done. All right, and let me go outside and I'll show you what he took out of this hole here. All right. Anyway, it's raining right now, so I'll make this fairly quick. But as you can see, all the pieces that came out of underneath there, all cast iron and pretty corroded up. Really needed to come out of there. And I want to reuse this subfloor. Yeah, so we're gonna get that all taken care of, and my buddy will be up and running with a shower in his master bath. All right, hopefully this is useful to any of you that want to tackle something like this. All right.